How emotion detection technology affect business decision-making process. Emotion detection is a technology that analyzes human emotions through facial recognition, speech analysis, or natural language processing. It can identify emotions such as anger, happiness, sadness, and fear in real time. Gartner, 2021. This technology has been gaining popularity in recent years due to its potential to transform various industries, including the business world. Emotion detection technology can provide businesses with insights into customer behavior and preferences that they may not have had access to before. Traditionally, businesses would rely on surveys or customer feedback forms to understand their customers. However, these methods can be time-consuming, costly, and may not capture the full picture of customer emotions and sentiment. Emotion detection technology, on the other hand, can provide real-time insights into customer emotions and sentiment. For example, it can analyze social media posts, customer service interactions, or feedback forms and identify the emotions behind them, such as anger, happiness, or frustration. This can help businesses understand what customers are thinking and feeling about their products or services, and inform their decision-making processes accordingly. One example of how emotion detection has been used in business decision-making is in the hospitality industry. Hotel chains are using emotion detection technology to analyze customer feedback and identify areas for improvement in their customer service. By identifying specific emotions behind customer feedback, hotels can take targeted actions to improve the customer experience, such as offering personalized services or improving the quality of their amenities. McKinsey & Company, 2017. In addition, emotion detection can also be used in product development. For instance, if a business is developing a new product or service, emotion detection can help identify the emotions behind customer feedback and inform the product development process. This can help businesses tailor their products and services to meet the needs and preferences of their customers, ultimately improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. Accenture, 2016. Emotion detection technology has the potential to transform the way businesses make decisions. By providing real-time insights into customer emotions and sentiment, businesses can make more informed decisions about product development, customer service, and marketing. This can lead to better outcomes for both the business and the customer, ultimately resulting in improved customer satisfaction and loyalty. Emotion detection can help businesses in a variety of ways. It can inform marketing campaigns and product development strategies, help businesses tailor their customer service experience to meet the needs of their customers, and improve employee satisfaction by identifying areas of dissatisfaction or frustration. Accenture, 2016. In addition, emotion detection can also help businesses gain a competitive advantage by understanding their customers on a deeper level and making more informed decisions as a result. Several businesses have already started using emotion detection to inform their decision-making processes. For instance, Walmart uses facial recognition technology to monitor customer satisfaction levels and improve their shopping experience. Deloitte, 2018. Another example is the car manufacturer, Toyota, who uses emotion detection technology to improve their customer service by analyzing customer feedback and identifying areas for improvement.